Welcome to Åland, man.
Yeah.
Welcome to Åland.
Another time zone.
Definitely, you're going to be in this tree stand, and the deer are going to walk off through these woods. They're going to cross this road. They're going to cross right in front of you, and they're going to want to go to this corner right here.
Okay.
And they're going to feed in that corner right there. All right, folks, Rick Mills here with my son Lucas. We got Richard Lampley and Scott Anderson. Hello. It's the morning of the 15th. It's opening day, bow season, Åland, all right, which is an offshoot of Finland. And we're up here getting ready to get it done. Richard, I don't know about you, but I'm fired up.
Game on. Game on.
Scott, what do you think?
I'm amped. I'm ready to go.
And Lucas, headed to the woods with me. First time, father-son team, 43, 15 years old. Lucas, you ready to get it done?
Yeah.
All right, folks, so we're headed to the woods. Again, it's 15 August. It's opening day. Bow season just opened. this tree right here. That's him. Where did he go? Where did he go? Good boy. There he goes. He's taking it. Oh, he might have shot him. Well, folks, I think my son and I just video recorded Richard Lampley shooting a buck. It wasn't the biggest thing in the world. I had the monster off the island. I had it right in front of me earlier. 20 yards, but he was moving all the time. I think Richard Lampley just shot one. I think we got it almost on video. We're not doing great.
Morning, guys. I was a bit late this morning, so I didn't have time to put my camcorder up and all that. I just wanted to get in the tree stand as soon as I possibly could. I had to use my GoPro camera, and fortunately I did not get a good picture or image of the nice deer I just got. Got the buck. The first one for wild Jaeger up here, and feels great. Unless one of the other guys shot one, but I don't think so yet. I would have heard.
Sat in that tree stand this morning, moved to another one there. Wind could be better, but you always have a chance. Finally I got my first Ålandic deer. Not much of a buck, I would say, but still it is a buck. A rather small one, but it is my buck. It's my first in Åland, and it is my first with my new bow-tech experience. It was a thrilling event. I was having a tree stand at the edge of a cornfield, or wrong, rye field. But I was cold and it was boring and the wind was not correct for the tree stand, so I left it and went into the woods. Walked 100-200 meters into the woods, stopped, and I saw some movement in the swamp. So I went back, and cooperating with me came this small little Mr. Spiky. And I got him at 20 meters. Had to wait a long time because he was standing in the bushes, but he was closing up, closing and closing, and at 20 meters I could take my shot.